Natural disasters are extreme events caused by nature that can cause damage to the environment, buildings, and sometimes even people. They can happen anywhere in the world. Let's explore different types of natural disasters and find out why they happen. Earthquake. Earthquakes happen when there is a sudden shaking of the ground caused by movement of the Earth's tectonic plates. Safety tips: drop, cover, and hold on. Get under a sturdy table and protect your head and neck. Tsunami. Tsunamis are huge ocean waves caused by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. Safety tip: if you feel an earthquake near the coast, move to higher ground immediately and stay away from the shore. Flood. Floods happen when there is too much water, often from heavy rain or melting snow, and rivers overflow. Safety tip: move to higher ground and avoid walking or driving through floodwaters. Drought. Droughts are long periods without enough rain, causing the land to become very dry. Safety tip: conserve water and follow local water use restrictions. Landslide. Landslides occur when rocks and soil slide down a hill or mountain due to gravity. Safety tips: stay alert during heavy rain, and move to higher ground if you see signs of a landslide like cracks in the ground. Wildfire. Wildfires are large fires that spread quickly through forests and grasslands. Safety tips: evacuate early if in the path of the fire, and create a defensible space around your home by clearing flammable materials. Volcanic eruption. Volcanoes erupt when magma from inside the earth bursts through the surface. Safety tips: follow evacuation orders and stay indoors to avoid ash. Wear masks to protect your lungs. Hurricane. Hurricanes are powerful storms with strong winds and heavy rain that form over warm ocean waters. Safety tips: evacuate if instructed, secure your home, and have an emergency kit ready with food, water, and supplies. Tornado. Tornadoes are spinning columns of air that touch the ground and can cause lots of damage. Safety tips: go to a basement or an interior room without windows. Cover yourself with a mattress or heavy blankets. Avalanche. Avalanches are masses of snow, ice, and rocks falling rapidly down a mountainside. Safety tips: avoid skiing or hiking in avalanche-prone areas after heavy snowfall. Carry safety gear like a beacon and shovel. Lightning strike. Lightning strikes are sudden flashes of light caused by electrical discharges during a storm. Safety tips. Stay indoors during a thunderstorm and avoid using electrical appliances. Blizzard. Blizzards are severe snowstorms with strong winds and very low visibility. Safety tips. Stay indoors, keep warm, and have extra food and water. Avoid traveling until conditions improve. Storm. Storms are disturbed states of the atmosphere with strong winds, and usually rain, thunder, lightning, or snow. Safety tips. Stay indoors, secure loose objects outside, and have an emergency kit ready. Sandstorm. Sandstorms are strong winds blowing sand through the air, common in deserts. Safety tips. Stay indoors, close windows and doors, and wear a mask if you need to go outside.